In the second quarter of 2025, the official number of unemployed people in South Africa is approximately 8.4 million. Yes, you heard me right. 8.4 million people. The labour force in that period was about 25.2 million. That's people working age and active. Therefore, the unemployment rate is 8.4 million. But let's take it further. This only counts for people who are actively looking for work, available to start working, but currently not employed. So the official rate in quarter 2 of 2025 is actually 33.2%. So just ask yourself, over 8.3 million people without a job. People that has given up looking for a job. It's scary. So that is why my next thing I want to tell you about is, if you cannot find a job, why don't you start with a side hustle? Because then you can generate a passive residual income for the rest of your life. If you are interested, put a yes in my comments. I will send you the detail. And whenever you're ready, you can tell me and we can take you through it.